Welcome to this morning ritual that I recommend you to do it with an empty stomach. This ritual will favor you to start the day in a better mood, to increase your energy, to improve the sleep reconciliation, to have more vitality and some more benefits. So we're gonna start. Namaste. Start in a stand-up pose. It is very important to feel your body from your feet root and then grow to the heaven. Like if you were lengthening your spine, feel your wave light. We're going to start with a different breathing. Inhale by your nose, exhaling by your mouth. The rest during the practice, breathing is by your nose. Okay, so interlock your fingers. Put your hands on your chin. We're gonna inhale, raising your arms, and exhale, go down and open your airway while you exhaling by your mouth. Inhale, exhale. Feel your exhalation that comes from the very deeply part of your body. One more. And exhale. Now we're going to do the energetic field. So place your hands like that. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, straighten your arms. And go to the center. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. And exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Now rub your hands. Feel your energy, your warmth. Inhale. Two more. Rub your hands. Inhale your energy. Feel it on your body. One more time. Inhale. And feel your energy going through your body, which is perfect and complete. And we'll start at the beginning of the mat to sun salutation, So, we're starting Samastiti posture. And we'll start. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look up. Protect your shoulders. Exhale, right step back. Left step back, stay in plank. Inhale deeply. Exhaling, place your knees, your chest, your chin on the floor, and the whole body. Activate your buttocks. Exhaling, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. And stay in the pose, adjusting. Shoulders away from your ears. Activate your abdomen, open your sides, relax your head. Well done. Right leg up, and inhaling, jump to the front. Exhaling, go with your left leg. Inhale, go to exhale, move forward. Bend your knees, open your arms, your chest, and go up with an extended column. Inhale, exhale. Go to the left side. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look up. Hold your heart. Exhale, left leg back and right, stay in plank. Table in, press the mat. Align your column. Inhale deeply. Exhale, place your knees, your chest, your chin the whole body. Activate buttocks. Inhaling cobra. Exhaling Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take a couple of breathings here. Bring your breathing to your stomach, to your sides. Well done. Up your left leg. Inhaling, down to the front. Exhaling, right leg. Inhale, open your arms, front. Exhale, pull forward. Bend your knees, open your arms, align your column, and inhaling, go up. Exhale, hands to your chest. Staying calm in this pose for 3-4 breathings. Before we start with sun salutation V. Well done. And we start. Inhaling, go to Utkatasana, as if you're seated. Exhale, pull forward. Inhale, up. Exhale, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale. Inhale, go to Utkatasana. Exhale, full forward. Inhale, look up. And exhale, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg up. And inhaling, jump to the front. Place your heel 45 degrees and go inhaling to Warrior One. Table in. Inhale here. Exhale, place your hands and go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale here. Exhale, place your knees, your chest, your chin. Hold the body on the floor. Inhaling in Cobra. Exhaling Adho Mukha Svanasana. Adjust the pose. Feel your breathing. Relax your head. And go again. Left leg up. Inhaling and go to Warrior One. Exhaling, place your hands and go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bend a little bit your knees. Look at your hands. And inhaling, jump. Inhale in front. Exhale, full forward. Bend your knees and go inhaling to Utkatasana, table in. Exhaling, Namaste. Use your breathing to relax a little bit your body. And we're gonna go to sun salutation, the classic series. So start at the beginning of the mat. We start. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, full forward. While you're inhaling, we're gonna step back with your right leg and raise your arms. Exhaling, place your arms on the floor and go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale and exhaling, place your knees, your chest, your chin, the whole body. Inhaling Cobra. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Done. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, place your left knee and go raising your arms. Inhale here. Exhale, jump to the front. Well done. Inhale, show your heart. Exhale, move forward. Bend a little bit your knees. Inhale here. And exhale, we're gonna roll your back, activating your pelvic floor and your abdomen. Inhale, look up. Exhale, hands to your chest. Now to the left side. Inhale, raise your arms, look up. Exhale, fall forward. While you're inhaling, jump with your left leg and raise your arms. Exhaling, place your hands and go to Adho Mukha. Inhale here, exhale, place your knees, your chest, the whole body, and go in cobra, inhaling. Exhale, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Well done. If you need to stop in this posture and breathe. Now, again, left leg up, inhaling, place the right knee and go up. Inhale here, table in, exhale, place your hands and jump to the floor. Inhale, look up, front, show your heart, exhale, full forward. Wake to your tiptoes, bend your knees if you need it. Inhale here and exhale, go rolling your back very slowly. Arms very relaxed, abdomen very activated. And exhale. Let's stay for a moment here. Use your breathing to calm down. And we're going to do the last series, which is the warrior dancer. So, which is the more intense. Take a deep breath and we start. Inhale up, raise your arms. Exhale, full forward. Inhale, look up. And exhale, we jump to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg up. And inhaling, we're going to go again to warrior one, 45 degrees. Left feet. Inhale here and hold the pose. Your hips has to be in the same direction of your right leg. Inhale here and exhaling, we change to warrior two. The whole body in the same line. Done. Hold the pose. Try to be aligned your hip, your knee and your feet with your arms. Extend right leg and we're gonna lean your body to your left leg. Inhale here and exhaling, bend your right knee, place your elbow and open your chest. If you want a little bit more difficulty, place your hands on the floor and open your chest. Inhale here, exhale, rotate, left ankle up, place your hands a little bit, look at the front, inhale and exhale, lift your body up in lunge. Hold a couple of breathings here. Into your chest. You can look up if it's no pain in your neck. Inhale here and exhale. Place your hands and go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take a deep breath. Bend your knees and we're going to jump to your hands. Inhaling, look in front. Exhaling, go full forward. Take your ankles if you want. Bend your knees, open your chest, look at the front, and inhaling, go up. Exhale, hands to your chest. Take 2 or 3 breathings before you do the other side. And we're going to left side. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, pull forward. Inhale, look up, front. And exhale, jump to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Adjust the pose. And we're going to the left leg. Well done. Jump and place the heel in 45 degrees. Bend your knee, align to your ankle. And inhaling, go to warrior one. Table in to protect your lumbar. Hold the pose. You can always look up if it's no pain in your neck. If not, chin to your chest.
Lengthen your spine. Inhale and exhale, turn to warrior two. The same, the whole body is in the same line. Right feet in 90 degrees. And fixed point in the heart finger. Inhale deeply. Press the floor to activate your body to the heaven. Extend left leg and lean your body to your right leg. Inhale deeply, exhale, bend your left knee, place your elbow and open your right arm on your right side. Chin to your chest, open your chest. Inhale deeply, exhale, we're gonna go to lunge. Right heel up, inhale and exhale, lift your body up. If you need a little bit less intense exercise, try to get shorter the distance between legs. If you need more intense, you can do more distance. Inhale here, exhale, place your hands on the floor and go to Adho Mukha. And if you want, you can move a little bit your hips in circles. Relax your head. Relax your breathings. Go to Adho Mukha. Bend a little bit your knees and down to your hands. Inhale, look in front. Exhale, pull forward. Bend your knees. Align your head with your column. Extend your arms. Inhale, go up. Exhale, hands to your chest. Make a couple, 3 or 4 breathings to calm your body. To feel again the pose. Move a little bit if you need it. Place your hands on your chest. Your thumbs has to get very closer with your chest. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, hands to your chest. Inhale again. And exhale. Rub against your hands. Feel your energy. Inhale. And again, rub your hands. Inhale. And one more. Feel your energy that protects you. Trust in your energy and be happy. I hope to enjoy. Namaste.